everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And this is the type of weather when you find out what parts fails. If anybody's been following me along on this Toyota engine rebuild series I just did, we're back on the Toyota again. Pardon me while I got the hood all propped up there. We're back on the Toyota. Sunday there driving it, and it just all of a sudden quit on me. Went through, I put a coil on it. Everything tested out, the coil ought to be dead. 1 second, I pulled the distributor cap off, and I think I found the culprit. Now keep in mind, I already had this cap off and I already figured out what the problem was. But let me show you. Let me know in the description or down below if anybody else had this problem. When I see this wire and this little loose stuff here, well, when I pulled the cap off the first time, that was all wrapped around and around, all that down in there. That's not normal. So I had to get me a pickup, or whatever you call that piece right there. I can't remember, like I never figured out the name of it. This right here, best I can tell, that's all come apart. At least I hope that's all the trouble. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the camera just a minute while I get this unplugged, figure out how to get them screws out, and we'll take a look at this thing. Like I say, I need to make the title of this video series, I guess, is When Stuff Fails. It always fails in weather like this right here. Back in February, radiator give it up. Come out one morning, radiator's frozen, busted. I had checked my antifreeze level, but it was a really cold morning. Same day, the old Ford wouldn't start, so we were down and out vehicles there till I got it heated up. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pick, clean the rest of that. Right here's the part. See, all that right there's come apart. There you go. There's where all that came from. Done got a new one. I went ahead and ordered it, and get all this cleaned up, and we'll go ahead and get it put in here, and then we'll test fire this thing, see if we got it or see if we need to keep going. Excuse the mess on the workbench here. I need to get it cleaned up. But here's the part, like I say, it come apart. Here's the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and call it the same. Get this thing put in. This is about $100 part. I got it at AutoZone. Excuse me. Yes, AutoZone. That's where I got it, picked it up. I'll put the name of it in the description and the part number, but if anybody else has had any problem out of this, let me know. Don't know what caused it. I mean, it's just 31-year-old and got nearly 300,000. I mean, I don't know why it failed. Just kidding. No complaints. A lot of miles, a lot of years. It's a part. Man-made. It's gonna fail. Here we go. All right, we got the new one in, just those two screws. Watch your setting. Excuse me, watch your setting right here. That bottom screw has just a little bit of adjustment, so I screwed it all the way back to make sure there was clearance between that little square, or that little edge thing when it comes through there. Run the wires back in here, plugged it back up, so we're gonna get the cap back on, see what this thing will do. All right, here we go. Truck's in neutral. Emergency brakes on. Clutch start cancel. Let's see if we've done any good. That's more like it. That's more like it. Toyota back on the road. Well, that's a short, sweet video, but it's too doggone cold out here to stay out here and film much. But I just wanted to get you up to date. So if your Toyota dies suddenly, you check and there's no fire on the coil before you go spend a lot of money on coil and other stuff, pop the distributor cap off. Check it out. It could have the same issue. Like I said, the truck's got nearly 300,000. That piece has never been touched, so, you know, it is what it is. Well, let's get the dogs in. It's too cold to stand out here. Come on, dogs. Anybody watched the video, I appreciate it. Leave a comment. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. You two ready to go in? Let's go.